Piskel to create your animations. You're going to want to create a sprite. You can change colors by clicking in the color palette. Make sure you actually then select a color. And then you can use the freehand drawing. There's a cool feature called mirroring, which will let you do that. You can also draw shapes. You can use the paint bucket to drop different colors into those shapes. Things like that. You'll notice that there's this, the squares in the background. That is because this is going to be a transparent image, which is what you want to be able to import into your other project. The other thing you can do with Piskel is you can duplicate and make your image animate, make little changes that you want to it this way. So if I add more things on, and then I could duplicate it again and make some more changes and sort of build your animation up this way. And then what you're going to want to do is export. So you're going to click the export over here, and you're going to want to export as a PNG, so it'll keep its transparency. Probably you want to do the 15x scale so it'll be large enough. Click download. It's going to create a file called new Piskel something. And you'll notice, especially if you did multiple together, you've got all these images together. So you have one more step where you're going to have to crop out the images and save. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this first. I'm using preview. And then I'm going to do a crop, select my image. Oops. And then go to Tools and Crop. And then I'm going to give this a name, some image 1 perhaps. You got to exit out and then duplicate it again. Oops, not rename. Duplicate. And then crop that image out. You can give that a name, image 2 perhaps. And then X that out and crop your final image. If you are not using a Mac, you can't use preview, then you can also use a program. You can download a program called GIMP and use that to crop out the images. If you don't have that option, then really what you'll need to do is save each of these individually. So once you create, oops, I'm going to delete these instead. You would save your first image, do a duplicate, make your changes, delete this, and then download that. So you can download each image individually as well. So if I download that PNG, it'll just have that image in it. Okay, that's it.